how to log out on all Roblox sessions. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now we are going to open up our Roblox application. So just click on Roblox to open it. Right now we will wait for it to load. So once we are in the Roblox application, go to the three dots below in the bottom right corner and scroll down and go to settings. In settings, go to the security option. And once you are in the security option, wait for it to load, and then what you just need to do is go to the most bottom part of the settings here, and then you would see where you have logged in and what device and when you have logged in. And what you can do is just to click on the log out of all other sessions to log out. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.